Hi guys, welcome back. So today is going to be a clean with me. I have some areas I need to tackle, including in here at the nursery. So we're going to start in here, but I do got some things to do: laundry, work on the laundry room, all of that. So this is part of my cleaning series. So if you have nothing to do at home and you're bored, you can always clean. If you're new here, my name is Angel. I share so many things lifestyle. So go ahead and click that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. And let's get started, guys. Don't forget to give me that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. So I'm gonna start today by doing some laundry. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw my clothes here in the laundry machine. And if you guys want to know what washer and dryer I'm using, I've done reviews on these, and I'll leave the video linked in the description box below, as well as in the cards. But yeah, starting out with the laundry and then moving on to the nursery. And here I just got a lot of cleaning up to do, from this changing table things, you know, because during the middle of the night feedings, you don't feel like putting everything back sometimes and you be half asleep. So yeah, cleaning the dresser off, as well as restocking diapers in my changing basket. I love having things handy on top of the dresser here. It makes things easier when you have to change baby, and it's easily accessible. And if you want to know what I have in my little basket here, I have diapers, I have hand sanitizer, I have lotion, I have just ointment, and I always keep paper towels up here. Paper towels are so handy to have up here. And then I'm just going to wipe the dresser down with an antibacterial Lysol wipe, just to kill all the germs. Because, you know, with a little boy, he does have his mishaps, you know, where he likes to spray things. So I'm so glad I covered my changing table with my marble contact paper. If you guys didn't check that video out, I'll link it below. It was a DIY hack for my changing table, and I love that I did because it protects the furniture, and, you know, I can use it as he grows older, and I can remove the contact paper once we remove the diaper changing station. Now I'm just gonna move on to folding his clothes. They're so small, like the easiest thing to do is just to roll them up. That's pretty much, it's no method, but I just mostly roll them all. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe down the rest of his countertops in the nursery here to keep dust from piling on them. And I'm also just wipe down the crib, because a lot of times we have our arms up here where we don't lean over the crib to talk to him and all. And if you guys don't know, we have had him in a crib since day one from the hospital. I may come back and do a video later about it. Let me know in the comments if you want to see how we did that. And now that my clothes are finished washing, I'm gonna go ahead and throw them in the dryer. And I keep my fabric softeners in this little tissue holder I got from Amazon. I'll leave it linked below. And now I'm gonna go ahead and use my top washer, which I love having, to wash a load of baby boy's clothes. It's so much easier. It doesn't use as much water, and you don't have to run your big drum just for a small batch of clothing. Again, if you want to know more about this washer and dryer, you can check out my review of it. Back to the nursery I go to finish cleaning up and wiping down his nightstand. This is where we feed him at nighttime during the middle of the night, so a lot of times, you know, it gets dirty quickly up here. And I just keep a little box of gadgets that we need quick access to a lot of times, like wipes and boogie wipes and cloth wipes. And put his books back up because we do read to him quite often. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and vacuum up the floor. And I'm using my handy dandy Dyson. And I'm gonna vacuum off the ottoman. We sit up here often as well by the window. Now it's time to get all of my clothes out of the dryer and the washer and put those in the dryer. Moving on to the laundry room. So our laundry room serves two purposes because we also have two dogs. So it serves as their bathroom also, as well as our laundry room. So their potty pads are in here. And these are great, especially because I have a small dog and a big dog. They both use the potty pads, but it's all really great like when it's wet outside, when it's rainy outside, when it's dewy outside, because I don't like a wet dog whatsoever. I'd rather them just use the bathroom in here than go outside and come back in smelling like a wet dog and dirty up my home. So we always keep potty pads in here for the both of them throughout the day. We do take them outside when it's sunny and warm, but for those other parts, like I don't like going out in the morning because it'd be so dewy. They come back with wet paws, and you know, I don't like that. That's me personally. Everybody do their own things, but this is me personally. So I always like to wipe them down, and I use a disinfectant just to wipe them down and clean them really well. I do really love these potty pads and the holder for these. If you have dogs and you're interested, I will try to leave everything linked below this video, but I've had these for years. I've tried so many, and when I tell you, these are the only ones that I have found that I really like and that really work. And that's again both for my big dog, which is like, she's almost 60 pounds, as well as my small dog, which is like 13 pounds. So my baby clothes finished and I put them in the dryer already. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and put these in the top loaders. I keep towels down here too, so that when they finish using the bathroom, they walk on the towel. And then I have another washable rug. So I try to catch everything before they get to my carpet in case they get something on their paws. So now that I have the trays clean, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this floor, and I'm gonna use this Swiffer. So I'm gonna replace the bottom with a new cleaner. And what I'm using is a vinegar-based floor cleaner in here. This is not the same cleaner I use in my kitchen and around the other parts of my home, but because this is their bathroom, I like to use something very strong and something that's also going to remove any smells in here, and that's also not harmful to them, just in case they step on it and they happen to lick their paws. It's not going to kill them. So this is a vinegar-based floor cleaner. I can't even remember who it's by, but I'll find out and I'll link it in my description box if you're curious. And I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down my washer and dryer as well. It's gotten so much dust on it. Like, I think a lot of times people forget to actually wipe down their appliances, but wiping them down keeps them looking brand new and shiny. I had to go ahead and not wipe off my buttons because it's sensitive to touch. They're touch buttons, so I couldn't mess with the buttons right now. I have to wait till it stops, but it's amazing how much dust accumulates on your furniture and appliances. And now I'm just go ahead and put everything back. And so I'm also gonna go ahead and refill everything over here in my cabinet. I keep disposable bags in here because that's what I put the dirty dog pads in. And I just literally stick them in a bag and just so that I can pull them out individually. Such an easy little hack to keep your disposable bags in. Refill my paper towels as well as clean off the cabinet. Also keep my extra dog pads in here. So I also keep wipes in here. These are actually baby wipes, water wipes that I use on my dog paws as well, because I just like to keep their paws clean. That's one hack for keeping your house clean. Keep your carpet clean too. Just keep their paws wiped off. And I'm gonna go ahead and wash this rug. It's a washable rug. You pull it up. I love it. I have 2 of them in my home. I actually want more. You can actually interchange them as well, so you can buy different styles and interchange them. I love them because I can wash them and put them right back down, and they don't slide all over the floor. It's just a really great rug, and I'll leave them linked below too in the description box. And I'm gonna go ahead and fold up my load that's dry. That's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you got motivated and inspired to do some cleaning and some laundry as well, since you guys wanted to see me do laundry more. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give me that thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.